Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing your job has been replaced by a machine. Scary, right? But wait, what if I told you this same technology could also create an entirely new career for you, one you've never even dreamed of? Welcome to the era of artificial intelligence, a revolution that's reshaping how we work, live, and thrive. In this video, we're breaking down exactly how AI is changing the workplace, the opportunities it's creating, and most importantly, how you can adapt and thrive. Stick around because by the end, you'll not only understand how to stay ahead, you'll also discover an exciting trend that's changing industries just as fast as AI is. Let's dive in. AI is automating tasks faster than ever. Whether it's robots assembling cars, software handling customer service, or algorithms processing legal contracts, routine, repetitive tasks across industries are being handed over to machines. And let's be honest, that's a little terrifying. Don't worry, they're not perfect yet. But the reality is, automation is displacing certain jobs. Think about it. Cashiers, factory workers, even some entry-level office roles are shrinking in demand. It's a wake-up call for all of us. But here's the thing. History shows us that every industrial shift creates new opportunities. The key is adapting. Which leads us to, AI isn't just taking, it's giving. Entirely new industries are emerging, and the demand for human creativity and problem-solving has never been higher. Data analysis, AI development, machine learning, and even fields like AI ethics. These are jobs that didn't exist a decade ago. And no, asking Alexa to turn on the lights doesn't count as an AI career. But designing systems like Alexa? Now we're talking. The good news is, you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. There are free resources, online courses, and communities ready to help you reskill. It's not about where you are now, it's about where you're willing to go. But it's not all about displacement and new jobs. AI is also supercharging efficiency. Businesses can now optimize operations, reduce waste, and innovate faster than ever. And guess what? That can lead to job growth in surprising areas. You're doing amazing, sweetie. It's like having a turbocharged coworker who's always caffeinated. But here's the twist. This efficiency means the type of jobs we value is shifting. Creativity, critical thinking, and adaptability are becoming the most sought-after skills. So the question isn't just what job will AI replace, it's what role will you play in this new landscape? The AI revolution is here, and it's unstoppable. But instead of fearing it, let's embrace it. Learn, adapt, and innovate, because the future isn't about machines taking over. It's about humans and AI creating something extraordinary, together. If you're ready to take the next step, click on the video on your screen now about the future of 3D printing, another game-changing technology that's redefining industries. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.